What have we got? Good Guys This Wind next month.
Yeah. No, it's March. Well, yeah, March is next month.
March is next month.
Man.
Yeah, we're halfway done with the month already.
I know.
Did you get flowers? Happy Valentine's Day, honey. By the way.
There you go.
There.
You just covered it for me.
Yeah, that's right. Everybody say Happy Valentine's Day to your girls.
Keith? Love you, Mom. Happy Valentine's Day, Ty.
What do you got going on over here?
Breaking boss man's truck. Literally. Glad he's not here to see that. What he doesn't know, he won't hurt him. What? I don't know. Fixing his truck. Finishing up what he didn't finish while he's on vacation.
What was he started? I was in here on Friday and he was working on something, but I didn't ask.
Looks like he came in and took the radiator cap off and then went on vacation and said, Keith, can you finish this up for me?
That's about all I saw him do.
Volunteered.
Yeah, Keith was in here on Friday. I saw him.
Thermostat housing was leaking, so I replaced that water pump, thermostat, some of the heater hoses.
That's a new radiator going
We're
in?
going to put a new radiator in it.
People keep asking when there's going to be some lightning burnouts. I keep telling them, I don't know. Y'all are going to have to keep asking because
we're going to have to put a lot of bleach on the floor because the Shopdad Camaro could take it in a heartbeat.
Yeah, where's that? People keep asking for Shopdad burnouts too. I guess you know, the ones you did last time, they got prematurely busted by the cops.
I want to do it because it's fun. It's fun to do bad things. Drive into a car.
But did you know that you could perhaps kill somebody?
Yes, but I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friends.
Oh, yeah.
Wasn't satisfying the crowd.
Hey, when we get the 454 SS ready, there's, you know, there's
I think people just want to see burnouts because they hadn't seen any.
That would be.
It's been months
That'd be
since we've
pretty
had
good.
any on this channel.
Get both
Oh yeah, that would be cool to have both of those side by side.
Right, yeah, I mean, they're both the same era.
Yeah.
What year's this truck?
This one's a 95, that one's a 93.
For those that don't know,
My Camaro.
right next door we have a whole 454 SS being stripped down.
Very clean.
So,
72,000
super clean.
miles maybe, something like that.
That
It's crazy clean. It's not even a scratch in the bed.
You would think with as much wiring as I do, is I would not get stuff tangled as much as I do. Golly. It's like it was so easy to wrap on there, and now I'm spending 20 minutes trying to get it off of there. Alright, there's one. We got the new gas tank in, and I was going to do an access panel to the fuel pump so the customer wouldn't have to drop the tank if he ever needs it. Well, I go to set it up in there, and with the mini tub kit, you have to move the rear body mounts backwards. And now the rear body mount sits here instead of here. So I don't want to mess up a tank, so I'm modifying I just cut out the big hump. Sat way down there before, and now it's gonna sit up in there, almost fresh.
Hey, Eric!
You know the guy at my local Whataburger that works the drive-thru window now does that to me?
That's good. Hey, Eric.
See, this is how the whole thing started. I didn't do any of it. I'm just gonna sit here and be quiet.
See, we've started this. You know, Hey Eric is all around the country now. So if you see Eric out,
Sorry for all the Erics out there.
hey Eric,
Yeah, no kidding.
you can do a Hey Zach. Hey Zach. Hey Eric. Hey Eric.
You just have to do it nasally.
Hey Eric. Hey.
I don't think he was yelling your name in the bathroom. What are you doing? I was just taking an Eric.
You gotta smile and then wink at the camera.
That's what it is.
Yep.
Okay. Now we're not rewiring this whole thing because we would put an extra plug on. We're being conservative here with our. We're just troubleshooting at the moment, so we believe we've got the tactor working. And I'm gonna hit the key and see if we have a little light and a little.
You trying to light up the tack?
Yeah, we have a light. It's actually the hood tack.
Oh, the hood tack. Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot about that on these cars.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like it's working.
Good news is,
Yep, I think we got power to it.
Nice.
replacing
But I've pulled the gas tank, so we're going to clean it. So there's just not enough fuel to start it up right now because we're cleaning out the fuel lines, cleaning out the gas tank.
I got an old Dobson across the way that needs some wiring fixing on some headlights.
Ready.
You're getting ready for that,
The
huh?
poor old Dobson, you took its front legs off of it
Ah,
this weekend.
Don't tell anybody yet. I haven't unveiled all of what I'm doing yet.
Oh,
The customer wants an opening so he can get to his fuel pump without having to drop the tank.
Uh-huh.
So I'm making one. It's just a rectangle. That's not going to be the shape at all, but it'll be about in that area. So you can pull that cover off and pull the fuel pump out without having to do anything, any dropping. Because race car.
Hey man, that's the only way to do it.
Oh yeah. Now I was just trying to make something cool that fits the stock floor. I think I got an idea.
Man, this thing looks good.
Yeah, it's a real simple real simple console. All wrapped inside and out.
You did that.
Extra
What would you
storage.
say? Was that some suede?
That's suede.
Uh-huh.
But I saw there was a comment on how do you open the glove box with
Oh
the
yeah,
roll
yeah,
cage.
yeah.
You don't. So that's why this has got so much, as much storage as possible.
I kept thinking the same thing.
I saw that and laughed.
I'll have to look up who left the comment, but
Yeah.
yeah, I saw their comment. They commented, I think, on another video too before that, and I forgot to keep asking about it, and I even would have forgot today until you mentioned it.
And then oh, there's the dimmer switch. Gotta fix. Or gotta install. But and then I saw somebody commented on how the grills are attached. And they're actually just those little, I think they're 3/8 diameter, I guess technical term is rare earth magnets. But I always use them for grills because it makes it a hidden fastener, and you can still bolt in your kick panel so you don't have any rattle out of it. And then all you have is just the grill that pops on.
That's nice, because it's annoying when it gets that
sticks,
rattle.
Yeah, it sticks on there. If you put too many, sometimes you'll flex the plastic pretty good just to get it out. But then it's time and time again, drops same place. But I did both kick panels. They got 5 1/4 jails up front with the tweeters, and then it's got a 10-inch jail, just a pre-made box with the amp built into it. Nothing crazy, but in this thing, sounds pretty good in this thing. But console's all bolted to the floor. It ain't going nowhere.
I like the that brush metal.
The cup holders.
Cup holders. They just sit right in there. That's a nice touch.
Yeah, that was really the only thing interior wise.
Looks good. Let me